The Redmi Note 3 is a thoughtfully targeted device with a premium metal build, flagship grade specs, and an iconic MIUI launcher. The third device of the series upgrades design of the Redmi Note 2 just 3 months after its premiere, while keeping the same specs, but improving the security with a fingerprint scanner. Indeed, the upgrades are not that many: a metal shell, a bigger battery, new dual LED flash, and biometric security. But are those enough to justify a new device? The 5.5 1080p screen seems as great as before. The snappy Helio X10 chip is promising a flagship grade performance, while the 13MP camera seems adequately equipped. The MIUI 7 comes out of the box and we know it will deliver a smooth and unique experience. 5.5 IPS display of 1080p resolution. 403 ppi. MediaTek Helio X10 chipset MD6795, octa-core 2.0 GHz Cortex-A53, PowerVR G6200 GPU. 2GB, 16GB model, or 3GB, 32GB model, of RAM. 13MP main camera with hybrid phase detect autofocus, dual LED dual tone flash. 1080p video capture at 30 fps. 5MP front-facing camera, 1080p at 30 fps video recording. MIUI V7 based on Android 5.0 to Lollipop. 16GB or 32GB of built-in storage. 4G LTE Cat 4, 150 megabits per second, dual SIM, Wi-Fi BGNAC. Bluetooth 4.1, GPS, GLONASS and BDAW, FM radio. IR port. Dual microphone active noise cancelling. 4000 mAh non-removable battery, fast charging.